Hi everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox joining server. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox joining server, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll search about Roblox app. Here in this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click on clear cache. Then you can click on your Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi turn off, then you can know how to fix your problem on joining server. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.